Hey guys, how's it going? Lewis Harding Investor and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Robinhood stock going to the moon, the recent AMC Dead Cat Bounce, and why AMC stock will not be short squeezing anytime soon. Let's get straight into it. It's been an absolute rollercoaster week for Robinhood and Vlad, as shares of Robinhood have popped again this Friday, and after its first full week of trading, they are now up 60% from the IPO price, which is absolutely crazy. I think we could say apes that Robinhood is now officially going to the moon, unlike AMC, which will not be going to the moon, which I'll explain later on. But anyway, back onto Robinhood. The shares rose 10% on Friday after a crazy week. On Thursday they were down like 27% at one point due to leaked news that existing shareholders, were going to sell 98 million shares over time. So yeah, crazy stuff and absolutely volatile. So yeah, it's just pretty crazy stuff. And I think Robinhood could potentially be the new meme stock for the AMC apes. If you apes are clever enough, you might be able to get onto this one. The rise in Robinhood stock began Tuesday when it rose more than 24%, blowing past its $38 per share IPO price. And this came off the news that Cathie Wood, one of the famous investors of ARK Invest, now owns 3.2 million shares of Hood. So this might be one of the reasons why retail investors are getting very excited, because Cathie Wood is a well-known investor in the space, and if Robinhood has got her admiration or her seal of approval, then retail investors might be inclined to go ahead and invest. So yeah, I think Robinhood has been one of the most talked about stocks on Reddit as well, so on the Wall Street Bets forum. So I think this does solidify that Robinhood could be the next meme stock to go up higher, unlike AMC, which will not be going higher at all. I mean, I keep saying that, but I'm just trying to protect your apes, because you really don't know what you're talking about. I think Robinhood has a hell of a lot better chance than AMC to go to the moon. And yeah, pretty simple as that really. It's looking good for Robinhood after its first week. So yeah, let's move on to AMC and the Dead Cat Bounce. Now moving on to the trash company, which is AMC Entertainment. And for all of you apes out there, let's have a look at the chart. And oh boy, it's not looking good for you apes. Yeah, it crashed below $30 for the first time in a while recently. And the trend is not looking good. I really do not see where this squeeze is coming from. I do not know whether... I am not a trader and I don't actually do technical analysis because I'm a fundamentals guy, and I think you clearly all know that I think AMC is a trash company and it's going nowhere. But in terms of where you think the squeeze is coming from, honestly, it is just not happening. The recent uptake in the share price following on from the dip is just a pure dead cat bounce, and I can just see it going further and further down over the next few months as interest dwindles in the stock. People move over to the next meme stock, whether that's Robinhood or not, we will have to see. Robinhood seems to be the one right now which is absolutely popping, but AMC is losing interest, and ultimately it is going to end in tears for people who have bought above this current price. So yeah, you know, buckle in your seatbelts, because your rocket is not going to the moon. It is going to blow up in your faces. Right, apes, let's have a serious chat here. So there is more and more shorts coming into the market, and this is going to put an absolute downward pressure on the price. Another hedge fund is shorting AMC as the meme stock starts falling below $30 per share. OD Asset Management is plotting a short bet against AMC, according to the FT. An investor letter cited the FT points to major distortion stemming from AMC's retail-driven run-up. AMC's price has fallen below $30. Short bets against AMC have begun to grow. Ultimately, the momentum is not with the apes anymore. It is with the short sellers in the suits. The apes are going to be crying when the stock does crash, and a lot of you have lost all your money because of YOLOing options, you fools and absolute jokers. Yeah, it's pretty simple really. The hedges are going to win this. They will team up and they will have enough firepower to short this stock, and you guys will have no chance. You say you own the float with... you say you own 80% of the float. It's not exactly true, because you say 80% of retail investors on the float, but how many of them are apes? How many of them are going to hold on for dear life when this goes really, really, really downhill? Yeah, so it's pretty simple really. I cannot see this short squeeze happening at all, and it's not in the favour of the apes at all. So, you know, do yourself a favour, reassess your position and try and understand why you are owning these shares, because it's going to end in tears. More and more short sellers are coming. Iceberg Research, OD Asset Management, and probably Melvin Capital. I would love it if they did it. If they shorted AMC and managed to make some of their Gamestop losses back, it would be hilarious for sure. This is my weekly reminder that AMC stock is not going to the moon and the short squeeze will never happen. Ultimately, you are making irresponsible investing decisions if you do not, take into consideration all the points I've just mentioned. The fundamentals are not there. The price direction is not there. It is in a downward trend at the minute, and you're trying to play the hedge funds at their own game. Like with the GameStop saga, they have learnt their lesson. They're not going to make the same mistake again. AMC will crash back down to earth, and a lot of you are going to lose a hell of a lot of money. So yeah, please take this on board. Reassess what you're actually doing with your investments. Like if you've got all your money YOLO'd onto AMC, then good luck to you. Really, really good luck to you, because you're going to need it. Because when it comes crashing back down to earth, you'll be coming back to my videos and be like, oh Lewis, you were so right about AMC. Start looking for the next meme stock. Maybe Robinhood is that option for you. We will have to see. Up 60% in its first week in trading, not bad at all. It's currently at like a 50 billion, 40 billion market cap, so it's still quite high. But as we've seen with Coinbase, that company listed quite high and it did come back down to earth a bit. So there's no reason why something like Robinhood couldn't get to the 100 billion market cap range with enough volume, especially with Robinhood being a proper growth stock as well. If you start getting some tech growth ETFs investing into Robinhood, that'll push up the price. So ultimately I think Robinhood could be a better option than AMC. So yeah, we'll have to see, won't we? But this is my weekly reminder to the AMC apes that you need to reassess what you're doing. You need to stop being jokers and fools. And yeah, AMC is not going to the moon. As always, this video does not constitute as financial advice, so please read my disclaimer in the description down below to clear anything up. You salty apes who seem to think this is financial advice. It's not at all. You should not take any YouTube video or online content as financial advice, and if you do, you're stupid. Simple as that, really. So yeah, read my disclaimer and clear anything up. So yeah, thank you apes for watching this video. I hope you really did enjoy it, and I hope you Robinhood bulls have enjoyed it as well. Robinhood is a better stock to own than AMC right now, in my opinion. Even though I wouldn't own but either in my portfolio, to be totally honest. So yeah, not really both for me, but I will be doing a Robinhood stock analysis soon, and seeing where I get to evaluation wise with that, and I'm sure it'll be a lot better than AMC for sure. Anyway, yeah, I'll stop bashing AMC for now. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you want more investing content, then why don't you subscribe to my weekly newsletter, The Harding Herald. This is a weekly newsletter with the 5 biggest stories in the world of investing and finance over the past week, and this gets sent straight to your inbox. Winner winner chicken dinner. Subscribe to it. It will add a lot of value to you, and you get a bit of content, more content from me as well. So subscribe to that down below, and then also you'll see Patreon. I have started being on Patreon for £5 per month. You get full access to me, my Discord, my community, and what stocks I'm looking into, what investments I'm looking into, and we just have a good chat about all things investing and personal finance. Anything to do with finance, money, investing is a great place to chat and get to know me and what I'm all about. So yeah, please subscribe to that, links in the description below, and yeah, get involved. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and please leave a like, dislike and a comment on the video if you did enjoy it or not enjoy it in the AMC apes case. And as always, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.